Hey guys, Jean Marlo Davis, your wealth creator here to leave a hot tip for you. One of the things that has really accelerated my business, really supercharged my business and increased my profits, is when I decided to start charging what I am worth. When I truly began to believe in my product and services that I had to offer, believe in myself, and believe that I deserve to get paid the value of what I offer. We get paid to bring what? Value to the marketplace, but also we get paid to get results. And when my clients start getting results, and I have countless testimonies, guys, I say, you know what? I have to make sure I charge the value of what I have to offer. So that's a tip, guys, to help you to supercharge your business and increase your profits. Start believing in yourself, because you're really just charging cheap prices, because either you believe that if you charge the price that it should be, that you're going to run that person away. And if that is true, that's okay, because you're going to attract the right people. Or number two, you don't quite believe in yourself. For some reason, you still have that doubt, or you're worried about what people say or what people talk. I don't care. I don't care. When, the most freeing thing for me was when I looked at my husband one night and we was having a conversation. And I said, you know what, baby, what's so funny is we worry about everybody, what everybody say about us, what everybody is thinking. And we never really live our life for ourselves. We live it for everybody else. So what really helped me, guys, was when I stopped worrying about other people and I looked at my husband and I said, honey, what's important is what's in this house. I'm concerned about what you think. I'm concerned about what God thinks. I'm concerned about what I think, And of course, I love my babies. So mommy's concerned about what the children think for, just a little bit, because they're grown now. But the thing about it is when I start really believing in myself and stop worrying about what people think, what people saying, and I begin to focus on myself, focus on sharpening my axe, meaning getting more skilled, more talent, attending the workshops and seminars that I needed to attend, and continue to attend the webinars. I thank God for webinars, because if I can't go there physically because of my demand on my schedule, that's okay. I can jump on a webinar and get it done, or get the replay, right? But one of the things is, I think that really helps supercharge is that belief in yourself, belief in your mission, belief in your goal, belief in what you have to offer. And when I started to believe in myself and I started to charge the amount for helping people to get results, man, my income shot through the roof, supercharged like never before. And so that's one of the main things I would definitely say is start to believe in yourself. Stop charging these cheap rates thinking that, well, if I charge cheap rates, people will come. Let me give you a little thought about that. It's just like looking at a Maserati and a Honda, okay? People are not going to really want to go to the Honda. You may have a couple of people. Most people want to get in that Maserati, man. They want to open up the door. They want to sit on the leather seat, or, they want to feel the steering wheel. They want to hear that vroom, vroom. They want to just be there because it says something. When you charge low prices, it says that you don't believe in yourself or your product is not worth anything. But when you charge prices, that's higher, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. Let me tell you something. The right people will come. The main thing is integrity, making sure that whatever you're offering, guys, you offer it. You go the extra mile, like Napoleon Hill teaches in Think and Grow Rich. You go the extra mile. Make sure that you work to get your client results. You make sure that your client is satisfied. You understand? You ask questions. You dive right down into where their issues are. And you make sure that you get their problem solved. And when you do that, guys, your client will feel that, this person really on my side. This person really cares about me. My clients know I care. I'm in this just like you're in it. The minute you bring your problem to me, my goal is to solve it. And my goal is to make sure that it's solved beyond a reason of doubt, that you say, you know what, I thank you. I thank you, Jean. And they know they could call me if they have any additional problems, even after they pay. But the main thing is to make sure that you get your clients results. Have that integrity. Don't be out here charging prices and you know that you're not even doing the work. I'll say that. But make sure that the prices that you charge, that you know that once that client is in your hand, that you're going to take damn good care of them, and that you're going to make sure that they get what they pay for. And so when I started doing that, guys, my income started going up through the roof. And, you know, I have testimonies after testimonies after testimonies of people who have said to me, Jean, thank you. And I normally share my testimonies. If you follow me on Facebook, Miss Jean Marlo Davis, that's my fan page. If you follow me there, or my regular page, Jean Marlo Davis, you'll see I post testimonies. If you subscribe to my newsletter with our university, that's twcuniversity.com, twcuniversity.com. You will also get updates and testimonies and information, inspiration, and help you go out there and dominate and impact the nation. That's what we do. And so I post those testimonies because I want people to know our mission is to get results. We are here to help you win in the skin you're in. So start believing in yourself. Start believing in yourself. You know, whatever you need to do, don't think that I got it all. I don't need any more training. I don't need no more. Yes, you do. We all do. We got to constantly condition ourselves. And so you want to make sure you continue to stay learning, you know, continue to learn what is necessary for your field, for your business, and continue to grow. And make sure you go the extra mile. And once you do that, you feel very, very confident and charging the prices that you should charge, and your business will automatically be supercharged, and you will increase your profits. Listen, my name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator. So are you. We have our Supercharge Your Business and Increase Your Profit Boot Camp coming up November. You could go to the website www.twceliteMMevents.com. That's T as in Tom, W as in Win, C as in Cat, TWCEliteMMevents.com. I will drop the link as well. Go there, get registered. We will be sold out. It has all the information. It's a boot camp that we hold with a very small, select group of people in a mansion, guys. We have our personal chef that cooks breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You're able to go in that mansion, relax yourself, and guys, get the education and the training you need to supercharge your business. We open up the playbook to show you what we did to earn 6 figures in 4 months, turn around and did it again and earned in 3 months. And we're now showing people how they can do it themselves. And a lot of you guys are not packaging your business right, your products right, your services right. And we dive into all of that, and we help you to market your business, brand yourself, and automate your business with courses that you could create and earn money in your sleep. So make sure you go to that website, get registered today, TWCEliteMMevents.com. Make sure you contact us, subscribe to our newsletter, TWCuniversity.com, and become a wealth creator as well. Again, my name is Jean Marlo Davis. I am a wealth creator. You're a wealth creator too. Remember, you can have, be, do anything. It starts up here. I see you on the next video. God bless.